How to order on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can order products on Temu. So in order to order products on Temu, all you need to do is just go ahead and log in into your Temu application. Make sure that you're already logged in, and that's going to direct you to the interface, something like this. Now right on this page, how you can actually order product is that just go ahead and find the product that you wish to order. Now let's say that I'm just gonna go with this one, and you can simply select the size and all that and then add it to your cart. Once the product has been added to the cart, then you can just go ahead and view the cart, or you can exit out of the page, and then you need to go ahead and tap on the card icon. After you click on the card icon, you'll be able to find the product, and over here you need to go ahead and tap on the checkout button. So first thing, you have to provide in your billing address. That includes entering your full name, street address, apartment, and all that, and click on the save button. After that, you need to select the payment method. Either you want to do it cash on delivery, or you want to do it online whatsoever. Select that, and accordingly you'll be provided with a time on what date you're actually going to receive the following product. So in that way you can order product on Temu. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.